Hello people, and today I am showcasing a Pumpkin Titan script that is probably worth more than a fucking car, because for some reason this script I had to spend like literally I think almost like 1,000 Robux on all the hats, and it literally is just it's cool, but it's not fucking worth it. I don't encourage you to get the fucking script at all. I'm simply just here showing it because it does look cool, but other than that it's completely useless. It doesn't fling, it just literally just stands there and looks stupid. But if it's an investment you want to make, then go for it. I'm just saying, do not blame me if anything happens, because it is not my fault. Alright, so I have it right here. I'm gonna attach execute, and it will summon this fucking creature right here. You can walk around. E lets you get on fucking R4 like the fucking cart titan, and then you can shift, run like a fucking crackhead. Click obviously does like some body slam shit, and yeah, that's basically it. Hold on, let me start clicking the keyboard. Maybe there's another keybind I'm missing. Okay, never mind, I don't think I'm missing anything. And yeah, that's basically it. You can smack shit, and that's it. Okay, that's literally the whole showcase. So yeah, that's it. And don't buy it, just watch the video. And okay, I'm going now. It will still be linked on the website though.